Hi, I'm Dan Lavelle from the Google Play Developer Operations team. We get a lot of questions from developers about app visibility and search on Google Play. While we can't reveal every ingredient in the secret sauce, we want to cover some tips to set you up for success. The first thing you should do is double check your configuration to make sure your app is visible to the right audience. If it's your first time publishing, verify that your app is published, not in draft, and that it's available on the production track, and not just alpha or beta. If you previously pushed your APK to the alpha or beta tracks, click on that track, then click the Move to Prod button under Actions for the version that you want to push to production. Remember, it may take a few hours to see your changes appear on Google Play. Next, check your app's pricing and distribution page to make sure that you've targeted all the countries that you want to distribute to. Click Show Options to verify you haven't restricted distribution to any particular wireless carrier. Lastly, you'll want to determine if your configuration is excluding any devices. From the APK page under Supported Devices, click See List to view the device compatibility list. By default, you'll see supported devices, but you can also filter the list to see devices that are unsupported by your configuration or devices you've manually excluded. If your app isn't showing up in search results for a specific device, consider its feature requirements. You can see a summary of APK details by clicking on your APK version number. The API level, screen layout, resolution, and other feature requirements can often exclude a user's device automatically. For example, if your app's minimum API level is 16+, only users of Jelly Bean and above will see your app in search results when searching Google Play on their device. Get as much information as possible from the user when looking into compatibility issues, and make sure you're not unintentionally excluding that device due to your app's feature requirements. It may seem like a no-brainer to create a solid app title and description, but you want to make sure that your title is focused, unique, and avoids too many common words. Your description should be thorough, however the full text will likely be truncated under a Read More button, so include what's most attractive and valuable to users above the fold. Also remember to follow Google Play content policies when creating your store listing. Getting more data about user behavior can be critical to improving your apps. You can integrate mobile app analytics from Google Analytics to get insight about your user behavior, set up custom campaigns to judge the effectiveness of external marketing campaigns, and get a better understanding of your audience. Lastly, and most importantly, you should aim to deliver a high quality and lasting experience for users, deliver regular updates for your app, and encourage users to provide feedback and +1 recommendations on Google Play. Remember to respond to customers that have had a bad experience. It could be the difference in turning a 1-star review into 5. Hopefully some of these tips help you reach even more users, though you can always learn more at the Google Play Android Developer Help Center. Until next time, I'm Dan Lavelle, and this has been PlayBytes.